Our stress level as a team after working with ClientTether has been reduced for sure. It's very stressful to run a franchise brand. There's no question about that. But really, it goes back to that having this clear communication. And so really knowing that our leads are well taken care of, knowing that we can go in at any step of the way, from our COO to be able to see where our leads are, to myself, to our CFO, and Julie, our franchise development director. We are able to see the overall health and where we are as a franchise brand and where our leads are through the pipeline is incredible. It's invaluable. And our stress level has absolutely reduced. I would absolutely recommend ClientTether to a friend and to friends and colleagues. I'm actually in a lot of franchisor forums and I'm really active in the franchise community. I have been recommending ClientTether, and the reason why is because their service is unparalleled and their CRM is exactly what a franchise brand needs for the development of lead pipeline.